This might be the most unpopular opinion yet, but a cooking show that does not take its cooking too seriously might be exactly what women needed. My husband and I have been watching some cooking shows for some inspiration lately. He started learning to cook last month because he felt awkward not knowing the basic life skill. So now we make fun little dishes together when we are both free on weekends. And this weekend we just decided to watch Cooking with Paris. And to be honest, I enjoyed every bit of that show. And throughout the show, I kept thinking there's something unusual about it. So much of the cooking culture is so stressful, right? Like you have to know the recipe, you have to know the right order, the right measurement, you have to cook well, it has to look beautiful. And for women, cooking is automatically considered a duty. But in this show, Paris is not cooking like someone who's trying to prove that she deserves to be in the kitchen. She is cooking literally like someone who's just having fun.
Oh.
She's being messy, getting distracted, talking to her guests, and that felt so weirdly radical. Growing up, I never wanted to learn cooking, and my mother actively discouraged me from entering the kitchen because I think for mothers who spent most of their lives in the kitchen, not teaching their daughters how to cook almost feels like a rebellion. As someone in her late 20s, I still can't cook well. And Cooking with Paris reminded me that cooking can be playful, it can be chaotic, it can be messy. Obviously, I see the privilege. Paris gets to be carefree about cooking, and to some extent, so do I, because we are protected from the realities of domestic labor in ways that most women are not. For a lot of women, cooking is unpaid work, something that's expected from them. It's repetitive work, and cooking should not have to lose its joy just because the world decided it's women's work.